May I come in, sir?
Please come, Swati.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, please come, Swati. Hi. Swati, we are meeting the second time.
Sir, this is my first time, sir.
Looks familiar. Okay, good. Swati, what does it mean?
Sir, the word Swati usually is made up of two Sanskrit words, that is Su and Ati, which means self-outgoing, usually meaning beneficial or helpful. But in Hindu nakshatra, it is one of the nakshatras that we know in our mythology.
Very good. Wonderful, wonderful. So, botany and Delhi University, Miranda House. So, here you have studied in famous institutes, Swati.
Yes, sir.
Good. NCC career Zumba. What is Zumba?
Sir, Zumba is a form of cardio dance which we do with music. It is a form of exercise plus also stress relief.
You said cardio dance.
Yes, sir, because
Correct.
it involves rapid movements according to dance beat.
So it strengthens the heart muscles, is it?
Yes, sir. It is a healthy exercise for those who want to reduce stress or they want to manage their weight. So this is a good exercise.
Okay. Best student award badge, Miranda House. So is it best student in the discipline or overall?
Sir, it was overall, both academics as well as co-curricular and extracurricular activities for my batch. I was, I think, rank third in my batch, and also I was active in many societies, and I was general secretary for my society. I had organized many farewell and freshers events, and also part of the environmental society of my college. Yes, sir.
Very good. So, Swati, that brings us to the question of environment. There's a lot environment degradation, environmental crisis, and extreme weather events occurring regularly all over the globe. Are we doing enough? I'm asking a very general question. Swati.
Yes, sir.
Are we doing enough to address this climate crisis? It's too general. Maybe you can divide it at the governmental level, at the individual level.
Okay, sir. Sir, at the government level, the intention is there to accelerate India's carbon neutrality. For example, India has committed that by 2070 it will have net carbon neutrality, that is net no emissions. Apart from that, we are also having addition of ethanol to our petrol, reduction in dependency on fossil fuels, and also we are moving towards other alternative sources of energy apart from going for greener sources of economy, and also, for example, we are going for green hydrogen, electric transport. So government wise the action is there, but individual wise I think more needs to be done. Also we need more sensitization and awareness, not just for limited but at the grassroots level, to understand the repercussions of our actions that we do. Simply, for example, reduction in the use of plastic, which can be done at an individual level, and also using public transport. So behavioral changes have to be done at the individual level. Sir, our Pradhan Mantri's life, that is living a sustainable kind of lifestyle, is a good inspiration. And since our traditional times, we have always been living in harmony with nature. So we have to go back and learn some lessons and apply new ideas in the future also.
Very good. That's a good answer, Swati. Now, on a different plane altogether, uh, you see a lot of confrontation these days at various levels
Okay.
between nations,
Hmm.
within the country also. A
Hmm.
lot of instead of cooperation,
Hmm.
instead of cooperation. So there's a lot of confrontation.
Hmm.
For instance, Jharkhand and West Bengal.
Yes,
You
sir.
must have read these
Yes, sir.
days. Suddenly there was a jam on the road. Then we were wondering why, because West Bengal is unhappy
Yes,
from
sir.
Damodar Valley Corporation.
Yes,
The
sir.
floods were released.
Hmm.
It took us by surprise.
Yes,
So
sir.
confrontation at various levels
Hmm.
um, on unexpected issues
Hmm.
can
Hmm.
happen.
Yes, sir.
So when we think about it, it is causing concern. Even the Indus Valley Treaty between India and Pakistan,
Yes, sir.
which has stood the test of time, so to say, is
Yes, sir.
suddenly uh, experiencing strains.
Hmm.
Isn't it? Because at one point of time we said blood and water cannot flow together.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So these are all confrontations at different levels on different issues. Uh, but broadly speaking, what would be your remedy for all these things? How to address these things, whether at a local level, interstate level,
Hmm.
or international level?
Hmm.
What should be the spirit
Hmm. Hmm.
of resolving these contentious issues? I am putting it very broadly, but your thoughts, you can share your thoughts.
Sir, these are issues at various levels, as you have mentioned. So, but there is a common, I would say, a way of doing solving all of them. Firstly, I believe that the different stakeholders or the people of the two sides, they have to get together or discuss. That platform has to be created. For example, in a state we have interstate councils, and in case of different nations we have bilateral or one-to-one meeting. So that has to be, mechanism has to be strengthened of dialogue between the experts. For water, the water experts, engineers, they can meet, and in that dialogue the issues from both sides have to be heard and in depth, and also the concerns have to be put forward. Secondly, after discussion, there has to be not only, I would say, win or lose situation, but it should be a kind of concession. It is not that one should win, one should lose, but a concession, a negotiation, a pact has to be reached
Wonderful.
for further, so that in future such kind of conflicts, how it can be prevented, that can be taken, and it can serve as a model for any future such conflicts to occur.
Wonderful, wonderful. There is a thought I was reading somewhere, Swati.
Yes, sir.
India has been playing, or at least India has been expressing itself against the various conflicts going on.
Yes, sir.
Russia, Ukraine theater, for instance. Our Honorable Prime Minister told Mr. Putin in his presence,
Yes.
this is not an era of war.
Yes, sir.
Everything should be, I mean, you can't decide things on the
Yes,
on
sir.
the battlefield. It has to be dialogue and talks.
Yes, sir.
But a particular media house pointed out we have to be a little consistent. If that is the case, how come we are not engaging Pakistan in talks and dialogue? So that media house said there seems to be some kind of a lack of consistency. It can't be one policy outside for others and one policy for others. What do you think about this?
Yes, sir.
They're rather sensitive thing, but then we'd be interested in knowing your views.
Yes, sir. Sir, with regard to India's stand on Russia and Ukraine, uh, we have a stand that is based on I would say the new renewed multilateralism, and we are focusing on the solution, not the conflict. India has always put forward that there should be dialogue and not wars, because we follow the Gandhian principle that an eye for an eye will make the whole world go blind. So, in case of Russia, our focus has been about a third party. We can also serve as a middle person if we are called. However, in case of Pakistan and India, sir, the situation is a little bit different, because as our Honorable External Minister Jaishankar said, that the problem is the way the state of Pakistan is as a state, and it's not the India is ready to have talks, but according to his words, that people who practice terrorism and people who are against terrorism cannot sit together. So India is having a hard line right now against terrorism. So this is the reason why the dialogue process is unable to take further.
Wonderful, wonderful, Swati. I think you made
Terror and talk
yes,
cannot
Go
go
together. Yeah.
Good, wonderful. There is a difference, and you rightly pointed out, Swati.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, recently we read in the papers, you must have read it also,
Yes, sir.
the US Federal Reserve
Mhm.
has cut the interest rate by 0.5%. That's what we read.
Okay, sir.
Probably.
Somewhat that. Yes.
Okay, okay. And that's fine. But if you look at our the papers, they say it has its repercussions on the emerging market and developing economies.
Yes.
You think so?
Yes, sir.
In what ways, Swati? US Federal Reserve, it cuts down the interest rate, and it will have salutary impact, they say, at least
Yes.
on one side, on the developing economies. In what way, Swati?
Yes, sir. Sir, any kind of cuts or raise in the US Federal Bank, it does have an issue, because, sir, because firstly, if they cut the rates, then what happens is that the people who are in US, who are in the bank, they usually, because of lower rates of interest, they come and invest more money in India.
Excellent, sir. Yeah.
Swati,
Yes, sir.
you have studied botany.
Yes, sir.
How botany will be helpful
Yes.
for making you as an administrator?
Okay, sir. Sir, as a botany student, I can definitely be of help because of my knowledge in number one, agriculture, which I had a special paper in my master's also, ecology and environment, which is a burning topic and focus, and also I can also focus wherever in the blog I am posted. I can look at the demography, I can give them more livelihood opportunities, diversification, which is today, sir, in Odisha, highly dependent on paddy cultivation. I can use my botany knowledge to aware the people to also go for mushroom cultivation, medicinal plant cultivation, which are having not only high demand in Odisha but also in foreign markets for export purposes. So apart from that, sir, in Odisha we have a lot of scope. In the coastal area also, sir, we can do algal farming, which can act as a livelihood for our fisher community. So in this way, sir, I can use my knowledge.
You have studied demography also. You said.
Yes, sir. Demography, I mean not in detail, but
What do you mean by that demography?
sir, demography means the study of the population. Demos means people. So we study the different aspects such as the literacy rate, the sex ratio, life expectancy, or etc.
In India,
Yes, sir.
the sex ratio
Yes, sir.
is increasing or decreasing?
Sir, if I would compare the last 10 years, census wise, it is improving, but we have some negative trend also in certain areas, especially the northwest part like Haryana and Punjab. Overally, I would say it has improved since independence. No, sorry, it has actually declined for a moment because of better medical facilities, and then it has showed slight improvement thanks to our government initiative.
Okay. There are some schemes
Yes,
in
sir.
agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Reward is one of them
Okay, sir.
in Odisha.
Reward. Yes, sir.
What does it help? How does it help? What is the scheme is?
Sir, reward in the means of economic like benefit transfer,
It is related to watershed.
watershed. Sorry, sir, I have to read on it.
Recently in 2024,
Yes, sir.
there are 2-3 schemes are highlighted
Okay, sir.
and that they are also implemented.
Hmm.
Could you discuss about that? Schemes in Odisha?
Sir, in 2024,
24.
schemes, for example, in agriculture, sir, we are having this scheme called as CM Kisan, which will supplement those who are not covered by a PM Kisan. That is the central scheme. Secondly, we are also having this new thrust towards natural farming under Baladev scheme. Apart from in other sectors also, sir, we are having Subhadra Yojana, which is now a flagship scheme under Women and Child Department. Um, and apart from that, we are also having Madhav Singh Hatakosta to reduce the dropout rates for tribal students and improve their literacy. And we are also having this Godavari Samisra models primary school in different districts.
All the schemes that you are telling,
Yes, sir.
are they implemented in 2024? Or
Sir,
some are before there and now it is in continuous?
sir, until now, sir, to Subhadra Yojana, some people have received money through bank account. However, the other schemes such as they are in the, I would say, initial stage, not fully implemented.
Now all the political parties
Yes, sir.
who are stealing the show
Mm-hmm.
in pole position,
Mm-hmm.
they declare freebies.
Yes, sir.
Do you support it? What is your opinion?
Okay, sir. Sir, regarding freebies, I would like to say that it has to be more targeted. If it is targeted, and then it is good. However, sir, unfortunately, if it is used just for a political gain and without any prudence for fiscal balance of the state, it can be counterproductive, sir. We are basically burdening the future governments because the debt burden also increases. However, if the freebie is targeted, for example, we target those who are economically weaker or tribal or marginalized people, then for weaker, even the minority women, children, then that is going to benefit them, especially if it is not in cash or in kind also. For example, giving them laptop or cycle, then it can be beneficial. However, sir, another thing I want to add, that after giving freebie also we have to revise the list of beneficiaries. We have to check the socio-economic status to check whether they are the true beneficiaries or not. Otherwise, there would be leakage, pilferage, etc. So that has to be done.
Sir, nicely explained.
Thank you, sir.
Very good. Swati, when is your interview?
Sir, it is on 29th of September, this Sunday, sir.
Very good. This is the first exam and first interview?
Yes, sir, this is my first attempt. Mock interview, I think, second.
Good. So how do you feel, Swati?
Sir, about this interview, I would like to say initially I was a bit nervous, but then I tried to, whatever knowledge I have, sir, I have given. But definitely I can learn more. I can fill little gaps with respect to specifics like facts and from the current affairs that I'm thinking.
Oh, if you are nervous, then we didn't come to know of it.
And you, in your biodata,
Yes, sir.
sir,
Hmm.
to interrupt.
Hmm.
You were a volunteer
Yes, sir.
for Unnat Bharat Abhiyan
हाँ, sir.
2020-21.
Yes, sir.
What is Unnat Bharat Abhiyan?
Sir, basically, sir, this is an initiative which is started by IIT Delhi. So, since I was studying in Miranda House, IIT Delhi had also partnered with other college. So, basically, sir, students were involved in doing social work. So, our department, we were selected. I was one of the students who was selected for this Abhiyan, and we selected one village of Delhi in the periphery area. That was
Which
Dhirpur.
village?
Dhirpur village, sir.
Dhirpur.
Yes, sir.
Which side of Delhi?
Sir, northern periphery of Delhi,
Northern.
Dhirpur village, and basically, sir,
The village is bordering Haryana.
sir, if I look into the map, yes.
Okay.
So we were doing different work there. For example, we visited the Anganwadi centers, the primary school. We had a talk with the Sarpanch, and after that we did a survey regarding the education and also the literacy, whether they are aware of the schemes, do they have Aadhaar card, and we collected the data and did an analysis. Unfortunately, the pandemic came in the March and we had to go back home, but we did not lose hope. We converted it into online. I have prepared various study materials for the students of that area and also PPTs for menstrual hygiene for the women, etc.
Okay.
And reflective, reflective writing, what do you write?
Sir, reflecting writing, I usually write poem, journals, stories. I think from my experiences and I draw inspiration
You
from.
would like to quote a
Yes,
few
sir.
lines from your poem, Swati?
Sure, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, I had written a poem about a tree. Since I'm a botany student, so it is I would say a metaphor. So the tree says that as I am growing older, my leaves they start falling. Exact lines I wouldn't say, but the basic idea. The tree, as the tree grows up, the leaves fall down. However, the tree still grows up. The new flowers they start blooming. The tree looks beautiful. However, the tree still grows up. So, what do we learn? There is loss but no regrets. There are new challenges but the tree still grows on. So, basically, it is about accepting life's ups and downs and still growing up like a tree.
Good, wonderful, Swati.
Very
Stop
nice.
here.
Thank you.
Nice.
Good, wonderful. So,
Articulate.
you will do very well. Any questions you would like to ask of us, Swati?
Sir, actually, I am residing in Bhubaneswar, which comes under Khordha, sir. So, but my father's district is Bhadrak, and so, sir, should I have a background knowledge of both Khordha and Bhadrak?
Bhadrak Tripura.
What is better? Hmm?
Sir, Bhadrak, Chandavali block, Bali.
I think that is time you can always
should
look it
have.
up. That's not a problem.
Yes,
But
sir.
it's the geography, the rivers,
Yes,
the
sir.
minerals, and the communals now and then flaring up.
Yes, sir.
All those things, and Kurdato, a lot of things, like rebellion, the temples, the architecture,
Yes,
the
sir.
socio-cultural, economic. As far as Sikha,
Okay, sir.
nothing to. As you rightly said, Swati, there will be always some information gap.
Yes, sir.
We need not worry about it. There is no end to learning. Okay, but what is important is your attitude, your areas of strength, all those things.
Okay, sir.
Well, because you are young, naturally there will be some information gap. One can always read upon them
Yes, sir.
and be prepared to say no with a smiling face. Sir,
Yes, sir, I'll keep
I'll
that
read
in
upon
mind.
those things. Sir.
Yes,
No one is
Yes.
not particularly
Yes.
facts. Particularly facts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you're a wonderful candidate, Swati, and you were not at all nervous. But you said I was initially nervous. That you did not show it shows excellent control over proceedings.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Very
steer it to your areas of strength,
Hmm.
isn't it? Like, for instance, you are going and working with the children. Even when the pandemic intervened, you switched on to
Online.
online. That means you persevere. You don't easily give up. Allow the strengths of your personality,
Yes,
which
sir.
are many, to come through. Don't feel modest about it. The art of the personality test is
Yes, sir.
you should be able to steer the conversation. Basically, it's a conversation.
Yes, sir.
You should be able to steer the conversation towards your strengths.
Okay.
In other words, you should allow the scope of the 15 or 20 or 30 minutes of the maximum to fully express, articulate, bring out your personality. Because
Yes,
the
sir.
board is at a they do not know your personality.
Yes,
And the
sir.
challenge is 30 minutes and a few questions here and there.
Yes, sir.
That is where you think a lot of thinking. Instead of feeling, I mean, there is nothing immodest in projecting the person.
Yes, sir. Sir, you have correctly identified. I sometimes keep it within myself and not able
Because
to.
that is our culture.
Yes, sir.
I mean, not to project, but unfortunately, this is so. This
Something you have
personality test.
Put your market.
Put.
It's a challenge to one's modesty. I would put it that way. So
Yes, sir.
overcome that. It's for a limited purpose. You
Yes,
should
sir.
not feel. For
Okay,
instance,
sir.
yes, you went there. You were working with the children, taught them. We did not allow pandemic to disrupt it. You switched over to online. This is a wonderful thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All the best, Swati. Pleasure talking to you. You are making it. Okay.
Thank
All
you,
the
sir.
very best. God
Thank
bless.
you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Satisfied?
Yes, sir. Thank you.